These are the magazine options for the Sig P365X. These two are flush fits. This is a standard 12 round and 10 round for the capacity limited states. Extended 15 round and the 17 round for the X macro. These are the base plates they come with. I'm going to swap them out so they fit onto the 365X. I swapped out these two base plates to fit the X and XL models. This is the 17 round from the X macro. Here is the 15 round and then the 12 round flush fit. This is the X 365X. It's clear. Here is the 12 round. Here is the 15 round. And then the 17 round, which is just a little different shape on that base plate. And you can see when you've got that 17th round in there.